Hello, friends. Welcome back to Technical Freak, the go to spot for all technical things and tutorials. Hope you guys are doing well. Today, we have got a game changer for your browsing experience. We are diving into the nitty gritty of enabling smooth scrolling in Google Chrome. So, say goodbye to choppy scrolling and hello to buttery smooth navigation. So stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's make your Chrome experience next level awesome. So, how to enable smooth scrolling in Google Chrome? So, you have to open your Google Chrome browser first, and here at the right corner, top of that corner, you have to type Chrome Chrome colon slash slash flags. Once you have type it, hit enter, and here on this search bar you have to type smooth, 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 and it will find animate scrolling when scrolling page content, Windows, Linux OS, and here just click on the enabled, and then we need to relaunch it from here, and in the same manner you have to relaunch it, and in the same manner you can simply disable it and then relaunch it. Okay, and then we can show this enable this smooth scrolling will be activated, and by any chance if you do not see this smooth scrolling, what you can do is click on the top right corner here where you see the three dots, and then go to help, and there under the help, click on about Google Chrome. Now the moment you do that, start updating your Google Chrome. You can see the version here. I have 11906045.160. It is already the latest version. So if your Chrome is not updated, you will find the uh, latest version from here. You can update the Google Chrome, and also uh, by doing so we doing two things right here: updating the Google Chrome and also enabling the smooth scrolling on Google Chrome. So I hope you like the video. Please hit like and subscribe, and please share it with your friends. So I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a good day, and take care of yourself, and please do comment in the comment section, and suggest me what kind of video you want to watch it, what kind of tutorial you want to watch it. So stay tuned with me. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.